If you're using a brush and you want it a larger size, but the size slider is pretty much maxed out, here are the two settings you need to adjust. First, tap on the brush you want to resize, go into the Properties sidebar, and in Brush Behavior, increase your maximum size. Now, if you find that your brush is already at maximum size, go to Stroke Path, adjust your stroke property spacing by 5, go back to Properties, and you'll see that your maximum size has a new max limit. Keep adjusting your spacing by 5 to increase your maximum limit even more, until you reach your desired size.